Welcome to the class, my dear students. Today we will discuss about salts. What is a salt? Salt is a combination of acids and base. When they combine together, they form salt and water, and that reaction is neutralization reaction. Nature of the salts depends on the nature of the acids or base constituting the salt. In the last class, we have already discussed about two salts, that is sodium chloride and sodium hydroxide. Sodium chloride is rock salt or common salt. Sodium hydroxide is NaOH, also known as lye or calcium hydroxide. Okay? So, in this class, we will discuss about three different salts. First one is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder, its chemical name is calcium oxychloride. Formula is calcium CaOCl2. However, its structure is not in your syllabus. Its actual formula is very complex. How it will be prepared? When we pour chlorine over slaked lime, it will form calcium oxychloride and water. So this is your bleaching powder. Its formula is calcium oxychloride. Formula is CaOCl2. How it will be prepared? When we pour chlorine over slaked lime, they will form calcium oxychloride plus water. Now, what are the uses of bleaching powder? It is a powerful oxidizing agent, which means it supplies oxygen to the others. It is also useful in drinking water and make it free from germs. As the name says, bleaching. So it is used to bleach the clothes like your cotton and linen clothes in textile industry. Fine? And it is also used for bleach washed clothes to laundry. This is all about your bleaching powder. Next one is baking soda. You must be heard about it because in the kitchen we are using it so much. So baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula is NaHCO3. How we will prepare baking soda? We will take sodium chloride, CO2 add, water and ammonia. They will form ammonium chloride and baking soda. I repeat, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide, water and ammonia. They combine together to form ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is the preparation of baking powder. Now very important, what will happen when we heat baking powder soda? When we heat the baking soda, it decomposes to form sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. It is very important. This carbon dioxide is a ricing agent. So, if I will talk about its uses, for making baking powder, which is a mixture of NaCO3 plus mild edible acid, that is tartaric acid. So baking powder is a mixture of baking soda plus tartaric acid and some gel-like starch substances also there. So it is an important ingredient in antacids. Antacids means the substances which are used to remove the acidity, because it is a base. So to neutralize the acid, we consume baking soda. We consume generally ENO that contains your basic component. Okay? It is also used in soda acid fire extinguishers. It is also used to make baking powder. It is also used to make crispy fritters. It is also a agent in cake, which means it makes the cake fluffy. How so? See, this sodium hydrogen carbonate, suppose we are making cake or fritters, they combines with hydride ion, like from acid it can take, and it will be converted into CO2, water, plus sodium salt of acid. Salt of acid. So, this CO2, when we heat the reaction mixture, this CO2 is responsible for fluffiness of a particular cakes or fritters. This CO2. This makes the fritters or cakes to rise up. Okay? Next is, last is your washing soda. Washing soda is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Deca means 10 molecules of water. Na2CO3, 10H2O. How we will prepare washing soda? By, see, if we heat the sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, they form Na2CO3 plus water plus CO2. This sodium carbonate reacts with water to form washing soda. Na2CO3, then H2O. Next is the uses of washing soda. Washing soda is used for removing permanent hardness of water. It is also used as a cleaning agent for domestic purposes. It is also used to make sodium compounds like borax, which is Na2B4O7 10H2O, which is used to make borosilicate glass, which we are using in the laboratories. Right? And it is also used as in glass, soap and paper industries. My dear students, remember this table as it is. It is very important. There are so many chances that question will come. So, in today's class, we have discussed different salts, that is your bleaching powder, baking soda, washing soda, their chemical name, their chemical formula, their method of preparation and their uses. Next, we will discuss in the next class. Okay? See you then. Bye-bye.